Hello guys, this is my first video on this channel and I am going to upload daily market analysis of the forex market on this channel, and I will cover all the major pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and DXY, and also I will also share my position in which pair I am currently in and which position I am eyeing on. So first and foremost, let's begin with the DXY. As we can see, DXY after the FOMC, it has fall very much, and it is very nice because it was in a uptrend. As we can see on the daily, it was breaking structure on structure, and after breaking structure, it has fall into the premium fib level. As we can see here, this is our premium fib level from here to here. Yeah, this is a premium fib level, and we can see it is in the currently in the optimal trade entry area. From here we can eye on to trade, and it has also took this liquidity from here, and we can and we can also see there is one demand also here. So it tap on this demand and took the liquidity. Now we can eye on the, like we can say, it will go upside, but we have one problem here. As we can see here is the like ascending liquidity. So if the if dollar want to go upside, it have to first take it have to first take this liquidity. Then we can see like bearing structure, and then we can see like it will go up, and it is going to up because this trend line, as you can see, this trend line, and we also have yearly support here, and we can also see this trend line, which is like from the end from the beginning of the dollar, like it is supporting the dollar. Whenever the dollar is coming here, the trend line is pushing it up here. So in 2026 the dollar is also came here, and we can expect that this trend line will support the dollar, and it will push dollar above the 100 level. So yeah, this is my thesis. This is only dollar, and my second pair is Euro USD. As we can see on the euro, it is the inverse of the dollar. So on the euro we can see it is breaking 4-hour structure, and it also went in, and the euro also went into the in the premium fib area. We can see from here, from this top to this, it is in the premium fib area. So yeah, we can also see some potential downward in the in and no and just like a dollar, and not just like a dollar, it has took the liquidity from here. So yeah, we'll mark it also as a liquidity taken, liquidity sip, yeah, liquidity sip. But we will liquidity sip, and after the liquidity sip, we can expect it to break this structure and retest it and go from here. And we could target this liquidity as our target from here. So it will look like this. Okay, so above with this bottom, so we can make a 2 to 5 risk to reward trade here, but I am not going to take this trade because Euro USD is a super bullish, and if we have to eye something on the, and if we have to eye some short, we need to form some structure here on the daily, then only we can eye some shorts on this. And my preferred entry will be after going here and taking this liquidity and showing the 4-hour structure, then we can took some longs from here to this upward liquidity, like here and here, and these liquidities. As we can see, this liquidity would be our main target if from here. Okay, so these are the some main pairs, and I'm also going to show in which position I am interested in to take. So first position is Audusd, in which I am eyeing on taking, because Audusd we can see it is on a rally. like it is breaking structure on structure and structure for our structure. So this trade I had missed on previous day because I was not online. So I have missed this trade also. But we can see after breaking the 4 hour structure, and we will also use our fib. Yeah, it was in our fib area, and it also took this liquidity. So we can we can make this trade, but we missed it because I was not online. So it could look like this. Hmm. Good 1 to 5 trade we can took. Yes, yeah. So but yeah, we missed this opportunity. No worries. But I will find one more opportunity after breaking this structure. Now we will going to use our fib. Fib, and it is our entry will be in this fib level, which is between 0.62 to 0.79, which is optimal trade entry area. In this area, we have also find this liquidity, which is double bottom, and we will find this liquidity like this. Okay. So from here, I will enter this trade, and I am looking on it actively. And the second trade is which is I am currently on. It is on a USD CHF, which is looking like this. Here CHF is very bullish later on because Swiss bank is very which what we can do is on their currency, and they are maintaining 0% interest rate. So because of this we can see this pair moving upward because USD has a plus 3.75 percent interest rate on the currency, and CHF has 0% interest rate on their currency. So we can see this pair will move upward in the future. So after the FOMC, the dollar has gone to dollar has fall more, and after that it took liquidity on USD CHF here, as we can see, and there was also in demand with the support of yearly level on the 4 hour I'm talking about. So yeah, on the 4 hour it took liquidity, and yeah, we also saw the change of character. We also saw change of character here on the structure break like this and this structure break. But I don't like to enter on the first structure break because it was very bearish. Like you can see, it was making huge candles. So I wait for the second structure break. Like you can see here, I wait for the second structure break, and after second structure break, I entered trade here. But because of stress spreads, my entry was here. So yeah, I am on this trade also. USD CHF, and like USD CHF, I am also on Euro CHF, which is running in the somewhat of profit. Yeah, same logic as the USD CHF. It was breaking structure, and also get into our premium free area. Like you can see here, it was in our premium free area, optimal trade entry area, and it also took so much liquidity, and it has a support of yearly and monthly level, as you can see here. But it didn't give us a structure shift for 4 hour. But I zoomed in and I got on the 1 hourly. So you can see on 1 hourly we got the structure change. So as I say, I on this type of market, I don't enter on the first structure break. I wait for the second structure break. So I wait for the second structure break, and it got as a second structure break, and yeah, I enter this trade, but it is currently like moving sideways. So we can expect some bullishness on Monday, which is like 24 August on Monday. Yeah, so this is trade I'm currently in, and the second third, yeah, this trade was SL. Yeah, it was my mistake because I didn't follow my rules. here. I just got on this trend line support, which is like beginners do, but I don't have to do this structure break. So yeah, this was a mistake from my side also. And second trend I'm eyeing on is this GBP. My thesis is GBP. Pound is very weak against the odd, and odd is very strong. So it was breaking. So first of all, it was going in the bullish trend, but after it broke down and changes trend. It changes trend, and after taking the support from and after rejecting from the 3 monthly and monthly level, we can zoom it also changes structure, and on the 1 hourly we can find significant liquidity lying on these. So I will put my limit sell limit order here, and I will enter from here only. And second thing I'm eyeing on is the gold is very bullish. So for gold it is breaking structure, and I will enter from here, but I will wait for the structure change on a 1 hourly or 30 minute as I wait for, because gold can like the pump and dump situation, and it could go more lower than there like this liquidity or more lower, because gold is very volatile. We will wait for, but my entry will be here if it gave us the structure change, and my target will be 1 to 5 to gold. So yeah, this is what I'm eyeing on. So yeah, thank you guys. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.